onyere ọnụ ụmụnne m nke a bụkwa akụkọ ọzọ ka anyị ga-enye tugeda ka anyị mara ife okwu.
2015 abụ m obere nwa na famili m. Mama m mụtara anyị ise ebe ọmụọ ofe ịtọ, mụ nwanne m nwaanyị na nwanne m nwoke. Achọrọ m ka ụwa mụta from ife mere m ka mmadụ adị daba n'ọnwụnwa. Okay, for depression, mental health, stability is very important na ndụ mmadụ. When you are depressed or you are battling with mental health, people might not understand, the society might not understand, the authorities might not even understand what you are going through. After 2015 anọ m di. Before m nọ di ya, ana m ejesi oke ike, abụ m onye ekpere, ana m afụ ụzọ, ana m ebu amụma. Enwere m grupu mbiri ọnkwụtụ mụ na ndị grupu m, because I was having family pressure, get married, ha na-abịakwa ndị dị ọ na-abịa. But my family ya eke ejigo na-achọ ka ndị dibịa na be gị bịa n'ụwa gị. No time for courtship, no time for relationship. You will what you are getting yourself into. That was how I met this man. Ekpecha asị na ọ dị Chineke signed it. Nne nwanne m bịa mee ego m na 2015. O mere ego m n'Ọgọst, ọ dị na December 2015. Na-echọpụta na m dị ime. Ozugbo aha ya ụka plọtụ gbanwee. Ife na n'ụzọ mama m sịrị, Mommy you choose wedding gown, Mommy you choose invitation card, Mommy you choose ihe niile. My sister, ihe nke a amarodụ m ebe ọ dị m ke. Ọ dịkasị na m nọ, I saw the true color of the man I was about to marry, I was about to wed. The mistake made the early am kwụsịrị ya, the better ka ọ ka abụrụ. But no, I didn't want to disgrace my family. Prayers could change him. I'll make him a better person. And I continue with the wedding plans. I really want na Easter 2016. Problem anyị bidoro mbọsị agbala akwụkwọ. Mbọsị akọ mana mụla nke izizi. So many mean things to me. Si na ochere na anyị eji moto wee do. Na mụ na ndị be anyị na-agbakọsị ọnụ na ego adịrọ. N'oche na m nwere ego. My sister, that was the beginning of my marriage. That was how trouble started from day one to 2 years our marriage are lasting. Mgbe mụọ nwa na 2016 na 2017, ihe na-ebe n'aka n'ebe. The man refused to change. Family ha na-agba m mbọ. Nne dị wee mụla amụ ụsọ ụlọ kịtịkpa nyele m na maya mmiri na maya tọwa iko. Yet, ọ ha na-eficha church. My sister, na 2017 ndị pim ọzọ. Dị m wee gbaka. Ọ sị na m about to do the nsị never. Mụ na-esecha emecha mụ na-edozikwa. Sị m chọrọ ego ka wee mee business. Ndị gbaa m bibi. And a salary loan. Go see a baby in a this man. Leaving me an infant. I thought like I'm boy with another pregnancy. When we used to read from day one, we want to enter. Nobody was asking me in the number. To the glory of God, and show me the details now fully enter with them one. Because that is not where my story is going to. More one 2018. I'm not another baby girl. My friend said, I'm not going. I said, oh, I was about to catch a coil. I shower, much is sick. Mamma, you don't want. Nemo. In China, this man here, a man had one way. For where a woman. December. This was not marriage. We decided to go our separate ways. 2019. No, now I'm not because I don't buffer. I was paying. It was not paying. And I was catching for 2 children. I became depressed. I became frustrated. My life became miserable. I started drinking. I started hitting myself. I started seeing myself as a failure. My sister, that was how I got into belief. But before then, more than anything on the issue. Because she's always supporting the son. She's always giving incantation with my name now by another compound. But when I was pregnant, she actually buried one baby down to be taken down to me. When I say, I'm high, I want to female opera. But to God be the glory after everything. We say, if you want to work in support me. Oh, wait, woman, for the fatness, na my knows in way. If you feel it, you may fan or If you feel it, you are going to fan or I got addicted. Somebody became my only happiness.
Oh.
I was depressed. I was fighting mental problems. Something I'm going to mad. I didn't know addiction can be like addiction. It was never hard for me. Here's what my sister. If you feel like I'm not going to be the even I know if I can support sending madam baby. Would you make any bad bets? I lost the chakwa. I'm not joking to you, see baby also.
Child.
If I will in office, I could say more because on the government, I don't need to go calorie if in the end be suspended. No, I think that's a crucial law. It's in any enough because my mother is just one person. She truly loves me. Then you are. They go on them, hey, then we want to. I don't know what it is on app. Guess what? The depression became times two. I can do anything, just can't wait to take away about it. I can do anything, just can't wait to take away about it.
Oh.
My sister, then Joko is uncountable. I don't even know how to pay. Because even now that I am clean, I've done counseling, I've gone for rehab. Even now that I am clean, people are still calling me, asking me how do I intend to pay them.
Oh.
Do you know that because of them, I got another job. Even I'm with another. This will be more like 6 months. This will be more like 1 year. Then I could Jacob. Now you be on Grafia. If you need to go to the company, you be on Grafia. Say, okay, come on, look at bets, buy bets. Can we say go? We now put you on Duchi when I book a company. That's how the whole money went down the drain. And that was how my company got me arrested. Detained. The case is still in court right now. But somebody saw me in the cell. The person saying something is wrong with you. I'm not the medical hear me. And you go to before someone. I said, yes. I said the person, yes. I said, pray. Evil projection. If you feel it, pray hard. That was how I started getting help. I started going for counseling. I started going for rehab. And by the grace of God, it's now 3 months. I've not gambled. For my sister, I don't even want one there. I cannot even feed my 2 girls as it is now. I don't have anything, even spoon or pot to my name. That's the property that I sell. I don't even have a job. I don't even have a capital to start up a business. I don't have anything. I'm just like a newborn baby. One more awful. In as much as I'm free, I just felt that I am a failure. I just felt that I have wasted years. Where will I start from? I just felt that I am useless. I just felt that I've been a bad mother. So first, I just felt that I'm a victim of circumstance. I don't know who I've offended. I don't know what I've done wrong, but please help me tell your followers, your viewers that they should pray for me. And I'll be able to find my feet again and start again. I'll go to the Akara, I'll go to pure water, anything just to take care of my children. I don't even want to go back to depression. I don't want to go back from where I'm coming from. I want to be positive. I want to believe that I can make it. I can do something for myself. I raise my children. I don't want to go back to any crime. I don't want to go back blaming my past or blaming anyone responsible for what it is that I've done. I just want to start afresh. Anything at all. And I pray that God should bless the work of my hands. Can be the one day you one way, okay? So that my children will grow up tomorrow and be proud of the mother they have. I don't know where to start, but I think at least I'll be able to pass a message to tell you my story. Single mothers really go through a lot. But please, whatever you're going through as a single mom, avoid alcohol, avoid smoking, avoid betting, avoid anything that can be an addiction that you'll not be able to come out. Avoid it. It will only do more damage to you than good. That's no why you know. I'm all child support on you, but my one never think of. And the second baby said, Macadam, made the second baby feeling when I shut up. It's just me. I'm looking forward to no again. I'm going to give all the necessary information you need. The friend sister met me when I was in detention. Grandfather, so she took me for counseling and rehab. Before I came home, I was there for a month. So I believe that by the grace of God, I don't even want to hear bets again with my ear because it has really done damages to my life. But I don't ago, come on, you do some hours ago. So I now find my comfort in my rosary. I now find comfort in prayers. And I find comfort in my children.
Kedu na ebe nkwa aka n'isi? Ew, 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 ew. Okeke nwaanyị dị ntị njọ. Okeke nwaanyị dị ntị njọ. Chai! Ife ga-emegide nwaanyị n'ụwa a bụ wee baa gambling. O nke ga agwụgo. ihe na-ejidete nwoke useless ya. In fact, onye ọbụla ma nwoke ma nwaanyị o jidete gị emesi, mana ihe m na-eche bụ ka ka ihe a si eme dị na ka ka ha si adụ that addicted to it. Ị na-ewepụ ego na akaụntụ gị, ọ dabata, ị na-ewepụkwa mmụọ, ọ dabata, ị na-ewepụkwa mmụọ, ịnọgide ilebe ihe ị nwere. Ihe na-ewute m bụ na this lady kpọọ ụmụaka na-abụ were eme ihe a. This lady kpọọ ụmụaka na-abụ were eme ihe a. Ọ bụrụ na ọ n'obodo a ga-anapụ ụmụaka nye onye at least ga-ama mgbe arụ nwụbara nwa ka o dobe ego malụ na ụmụaka na-arụ ya anwụ ha. This thing a na-akpọga m arụ na-anwụgo ego bara ya aka ije gbaga m, ọkwa onye isi na-awa arụ ọkụ na-apụ oje gbaga m. So ebe uche dobe na gịnị n'ego ọ ga-ewe. Nne m na-anụgo ihe okwu onwe ka ị ga-esi wee nyeli ya aka. Ịghọtara na ọ sị as little as it is, ọ bụgodịla ịrụ ọka bụrụ ime nke nwa. N'ikwu na eziokwu, o nwere onye nka nyesịrị ego 3 days ago just ka o wee rụwa ọka. Akwa married woman. Yes, ihe ndị after bụ for you to find something doing. Abụgodo 1 naira ego ise, as long as you are returning the money. Ịghọtara na especially ndị kpụ ụmụaka, but Gambo can do anything. O nwere ike itinye onwe ya sef, tinye ibon gị. I'm telling you guys, ọ bụ na o nwere onye ga-help ya, I will monitor, I will follow up. Before enye anything, ọ ga-eme video ebe o bidoro afịa. I can even send someone ka ọ na-monitor ya to sure that na ọ banyeghere na aga. Ehi si m kwuo, ana m ekwu ka o nwere onye nzile ka o weta ego nye. Just saying, ka uru si m kwuo, bụrụ na ị ga-enyere ya aka mee ka mmalụ, ọ bụrụ na ịchọ ikpe ya na fon mee ka mmalụ. Mama m sịrị, papa m sịrị, i wee megide wee maa m ọla bọsị a na-eme wedin, nkịta ga-alacha mụ na gị na-aba anya. Wedin afọ ga-akwụsị ebe afọ. Gịnị bụ ndị be anyị imeju ndị be anyị iru? Ihe nke a kpọrọ di na nwunye. Chukwu mekwelu mmadụ ebele bọsị a na-agba akwụkwọ ka ị tụwasalụ nwunye gị ọla sị ya na iche na ndị be ha kara ibunye gị moto. Ijele ịga ọgọ ka ijele ibite ego. Chai! Na-eji n'ife nkwu wee jọji ndị be anyị. Daalụ nọ ka ọ dị n'ụbọchị ọzọ.